Hi there, it's Alan here. As I said earlier on, I was going to show you do a little quick video on how to bulk create in Canva using the AI to get your quotes or whatever it may be that you're going to do. So I want to show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so first off, I wanted to show you. I spoke about the Maga.co earlier on today, the AI that I use, which I think is pretty good. I rather it now than ChatGPT, but obviously it's someone's whoever's choice, whichever one you want to use. There is a free subscription to Maga, and then there's also a paid one. I have the paid one because I use it quite a lot. As you can see, there's quite a lot of stuff that we're going to do here as well. But ideally, what I wanted to show you is how to create your images, and also how to grab the 5 quotes. So we're just going to do a simple one with 5 quotes today for you to show you how to get it. And it's quite simple. Like, I've already pre-populated, so you can see down the bottom of the screen here as it says, please give me 5 6-word quotes for social media that I can use in social media without numbers or quotation marks. And the reason I put them in is to save it saves me having to take all that out and move it. I'll show you, I'll explain it as I go along. So once we click on the AI, it'll go to work, and it'll find me some nice quotes, just simple quotes. So you can see here, look, it gives you nice simple quotes. So I have 5 nice quotes that I'm going to use. Shape conversations with powerful social media. And you can tweak this. This is only just to give you an idea as to what you can use and how you can do it. And the great thing about this Maga is and I spoke about it earlier on with regards to the different versions of the AI model. So this is ChatGPT 4, so it's the most up to date one, and there is another one called ChatGPT 4/2, but you don't need to worry about that. I'm only showing you this. But I did speak about the personas. So in here, you can see here, there's all of these different personas. There's the marketing expert, YouTube, education, goes on and on. There's bucket loads of them. But as you can see here, I've added my own one in, and you can see here, if I open it up, it'll give you, I have put in a lot of information there to make sure that I'm getting it the right way that I want to. You can see here I have, adopt a conversational tone, emphasize direct address, use these different languages, maintain a positive attitude, demonstrate empathy, incorporate direct instructions as well, and calls to action. So you can add all that in, and it'll build out your persona for the AI to use. And then that reflects then on what you're actually creating in the AI. So just wanted to show you that. So here we are. We have our 5 quotes that we're going to use. So and you can grab them, highlight them, and copy them, paste them. But there's an easier way of doing it, which you can do is literally just click copy, and it'll copy it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a Google Docs. So I'm just going to go straight in and grab a Google Sheet. So it's just for simplicity, should show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm just going to open this up, and then I'm just going to pop that in. And you can see here it's giving you the 5 different ones. So I just want to go and take these out. So they don't catch them as well, because otherwise it will put that in when you are putting in your content. So even if you're just going in and taking these out, it'll do it for you. It'll save you a bit of time as well, and you won't have to play around with it. Okay, so as I said, I just wanted to take these out, and that's good to go there now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up Canva, and as you can see here, this is the professional dashboard, and this is really, you do need the professional dashboard, but it's not actually that expensive. I think it's 12 bucks or 12 euros or 12 dollars a month. If you are looking for the app, the apps are all in there. There's loads of them that you can put in, but even if you just search for bulk creator, it'll find it. If you just literally go BULK bulk creator, and it will come up in there as well, so you'll be able to find it. It's one of them. You'll find it, it's in there. Now I already have it, so it's probably not going to show up on this, but that's where you would find it. Okay, so let me go and create a Instagram. I'm going to just go Facebook. We'll just go straight in for a normal Instagram post, square post here. So simple as that. You just literally click into it, and then what you need to do is just find the design that you want to use. Where you'll find it normally, that bulk creator, is if you click there, it'll add, and you can just type it in, bulk creator, and it'll pick it up. Now, as I said, I've already put it onto my dashboard, so you can see down the end here I have bulk creator, so that's where we're going to go. But first I want to find a design, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the simplest one here. Just grab this here, so you can then obviously customize it to your own liking. So for instance, if I use I have brand colors in here, so I can just change it and have that brand colors, simple changes like that. I can change this and I can put in. Now this is what you need to do this before you do the bulk creator. The reason being is because this will duplicate all of them. So dig, I can't even spell here today. Mentor, right? And I can go change that, change the color on that. I can change that to my normal brand colors as well. Maybe bring it down a small bit, because what I want to do is I also want to add in my logo into it. So you just upload your logo. If you haven't got it in, you just click and upload, and then it'll go and find the file wherever it may be on your particular machine. All right. Now you'll see here the way there's a white background on this. This is another simple little hack. I might as well show you this while we're here. So in that, if you click edit photo, and if you click background remover, what it does is it actually removes the background and keeps the actual image. But you probably wouldn't notice it because it's on a white background, but I always do it just to be on the safe side. So as you can see here, I'm just putting that underneath it. Now I'm doing a very simple one. You can go a lot more fancier if you want. So now we're going to go and we're going to bulk create. Okay, so you can upload a CSV file, which is like a spreadsheet, which you already know about that, or you can manually do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet, quickly grab these 5 images or these 5 quotes. I'm going to copy them, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go enter data manually. Now you'll see here there's already 2 columns filled. All you do is clear them, and once you press the clear table at the top, it'll clear it. Now my suggestion is to make sure that you put in some sort of title so you know what you're talking about. So I'm just going to put in tips, okay? And then I'm just going to go paste, and it pastes the 5 of them. Alrighty, and once I click done, it'll have the tips there. Okay, now if you see here on the top, it says right click on the elements of the page to connect the data below. So all you're going to do is right click over, and then you'll see here connect data. So once you connect data, and then you just pick the one that you want. So now you can see it's correlating. It's found what we're talking about here. Now, simple as this. All you have to do, and this is the beauty of this, guys, is it's just press continue. And once you press continue, it'll say generate 5 designs. Once you click generate 5 designs, page will reload, and now what you have is 5 posts done. So simple as that, and you can customize them then further if you want. So for instance, like say I have this one here, I can move this slightly down. Even if I wanted to, I could change that line and maybe change that to the blue line, or I could change it to we just highlight it like that. And I can do this, slightly change them if I want. I can move this down. I can maybe make this line a little bit smaller, which makes it easier on the eye. It's just simple as that. Catches it. But you can see here in each one of the designs, my logo and my at Digital Mentor is in it as well. Same here. You can see this. Maybe you wanted to make that slightly bit bigger. Maybe do that. It's up to you. All you do is drag them, and just click, and then all you do is just bang like that. Okay, and likewise you can see here I have this, so I can move this down a bit and then maybe even bring this up a small bit, and then just literally make it a little bit bigger so it just stands out a bit more. And there you go, simple as that. Okay, same with the 5, as you can see here. It's just about, you know, literally just getting your own design. It's up to you whatever way you want to do it, but that's it. So now you have your 5 posts, all right, and they're all ready to go. Happy enough with them, you've looked through them. Simple thing now, all you have to do is click on the share button over in the right hand corner, and then you click download, right? And when you click download, you'll see here as all 5 pages. Now you can, if you want, you can just take which ones you don't want out, but there's not really much point in doing that. If you're creating a bulk design, that's all you're going to do. You're going to create that bulk design, and literally you click download and it'll download it in a few seconds for you, depending on obviously the amount of files. So if you're doing 10, 15, 20, whatever it may be, it might take a little bit longer. Once you have it, what we're going to do then is we will actually go and I'm going to drag this out onto my desktop, and then literally click, and there we go. There's the 5 designs. So just going to change the so I'll give you a better idea of how it looks. So you can see here, there is the 5 designs that we've just done, and that is as simple as that. That is how you do it. So it's quite a cool way of doing it, and then you can go obviously and take them and put them on your social media as well. So guys, I hope this was of value to you, and you learned a little bit and it helps you. And if you have any questions, or if you're stuck on anything, let me know. Give me a shout. You get me at alan@thedigitalmentor.ie, or you can just catch me on LinkedIn and just send me a message, and I'm happy to help you. We can jump on a Zoom if you're struggling with any part of this. There's no problem whatsoever. Alrighty, have a great weekend, and I shall talk to you soon. Until next time, bye.